Hello everyone, today I will show you how to do a touchscreen test on iPhone, and here's how it's done. First, check if your screen protector or case might be causing issues. Dirty or poorly fitted screen protectors can interfere with touchscreen sensitivity, so I recommend removing the case and cleaning the screen thoroughly to eliminate any smudges or debris. Next, open the App Store and search for touchscreen test. Download any of the apps that come up. I recommend the top one, Touchscreen Check. Open the app and simply tap on the screen. You should see the X and Y coordinates displayed, which will show whether your touches are registering. You can also move your finger around to see if the coordinates change. This indicates that the screen is tracking your touch properly. Another useful app is Device Monitor, which tests various diagnostics on your phone, including sensors like Face ID, haptic touch, and motion. You can tap the gear icon to access additional diagnostics tests, though this app may require a small payment. If the touchscreen fails any of these tests and you have already removed the screen protector, it is best to take your iPhone to Apple. You can run diagnostics and determine if it needs repair or replacement. And that is everything you need to know about how to add a touchscreen test on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.